We'll guide you through how to sync Asana to Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, head over to the project you want to sync. Look for the Project Actions menu, which you can find by clicking the three dots next to your project name. From the drop-down menu, select Export/Print, and then choose Sync to Calendar from the options. You'll be given a link that you can use to integrate with Google Calendar. Copy this link to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. On the left side of the screen, find Other Calendars and click the plus sign next to it. Select From URL from the menu. In the field that appears, paste the link you copied from Asana. Hit Add Calendar, and you'll see your Asana tasks appear in Google Calendar. This syncs automatically, so any changes you make in Asana will reflect in your Google Calendar. It's a great way to keep track of all your tasks and deadlines in one place. Remember, if you ever need to stop the sync, you can easily remove the calendar from Google Calendar by going back to the Other Calendars section, finding the calendar you added, clicking the X next to it, and confirming the removal. This setup can help you streamline your workflow and ensure you're always on top of your schedule. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.